Dallas is the place where Southern hospitality meets a Texas twist for a unique cultural, historical and culinary experience, and it is full of surprises. Only in Dallas you can visit the home of the world's most famous football team. Only in Dallas you'll find caviar on deviled eggs next to crispy, delicious fried chicken, and only in Dallas will you be able to see the 33rd President's Library and Museum, which was named after the man who led the United States through some of the most significant events in recent history. Whether you're a history buff, an architect enthusiast, a foodie, an art fan, a sports enthusiast, a cowboy at heart, or a shopaholic, Dallas offers something for everyone. With 2 major airports and 2,200 daily flights, most US cities are an easy 3-hour flight. Ride the Dart Light Rail from either airport to downtown for about $2.50, and once there, D-Link, M-Line trolley, Dallas streetcar or e-frogs are accessible and free transit choices serving the major downtown areas. Shopping lovers will discover a unique experience on Main Street. Start at Neiman Marcus, the luxury retailer's flagship store, which features the Zodiac Room, a famous lunch spot on the 6th floor. Then head next door to 10 over 6, Traffic LA, and 4510, each of which offers a distinct retail experience in downtown Dallas. The Woolworth, a sleek downtown drinking spot ingeniously named after the old Woolworth Five and Dime, is located in the former Woolworth Five and Dime and serves finely made drinks and gourmet delights. Don't miss the photo opportunity at the Eyeball by the Jewel Hotel. You have to see it to believe it. The West End Historic District, located in the northwest corridor of downtown Dallas, is home to attractions such as the 6th floor museum in Dealey Plaza, the site of President John F. Kennedy's assassination, and one of the most visited places in the city. West End is also home to historic stores like Wild Bill's Western Store, as well as many blocks of rehabilitated brick warehouses that contain a variety of restaurants and pubs. Clyde Warren Park, a 5.2-acre urban green area in the heart of the bustling downtown area, is the ideal spot to take advantage of the nearly year-round warm weather. Try one of the rotating food trucks, Savor Gastropub for a custom drink, or Stampede 66 on the opposite side of the park for a odd creative interpretation of Texas cuisine. Main Street Garden, Bellow Garden, and Simmons Park are charming local favorites to visit on a sunny afternoon for a little peaceful meditation in the middle of the busy metropolis. Reunion Tower Geodeck offers a bird's-eye perspective of Dallas. Reunion Tower Geodeck offers a bird's-eye perspective of Dallas. The 460-foot-high observation deck features an outdoor promenade and halo, a hands-on digital screen system that provides information on Dallas' most famous landmarks and events. Savor a meal with a magnificent view at Chef Wolfgang Puck's 560 restaurant or the more casual Cloud9 Cafe. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
The feelings going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Falling for you.